The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful window into the universe, has captured something truly remarkable: faint, rhythmic glows coming from a nearby world just over 4 light-years away. The planet is known as Proxima Centauri b, and what Webb has seen on its dark side has sparked one of the most profound questions in modern science. Could these lights be the first evidence of artificial illumination, created not by nature, but by another intelligent civilization? At first, the claim sounds like something out of science fiction. Yet the data collected is very real. During a series of infrared observations, Webb detected consistent, patterned pulses of light emerging from the night side of Proxima b, too organized, too regular, to fit the profile of ordinary natural events. Unlike auroras, lightning, or volcanic glow, these signals appear to follow a structure, as if guided by design. A world next door. Proxima b orbits Proxima Centauri, a small red dwarf star in the Alpha Centauri system, the closest stellar system to our own. It lies within what astronomers call the habitable zone, the region where surface temperatures might allow liquid water to exist. For decades, scientists have looked to this planet as one of the most promising candidates for life beyond Earth. But now, with this new evidence, the mystery deepens. The signals are not biological traces like oxygen or methane alone. They appear to be infrared emissions, steady and spatially consistent, from the planet's dark hemisphere, the side that never sees daylight because Proxima b is believed to be tidally locked. If intelligent life evolved there, they might have found ways to illuminate their eternal night, perhaps with vast networks of artificial light sources. Patterns of light. The emissions Webb detected are faint but strikingly regular. Their brightness changes over time, much like the variations seen in city lights on Earth when viewed from orbit. Dr. David Kipping of Columbia University and other astronomers have urged careful consideration. "This isn't random noise," he said. "Whatever we're seeing, it deserves a closer look." Red dwarf stars like Proxima Centauri are small and relatively cool, but highly active, often producing violent flares. For life to survive there, Proxima b would need a strong atmosphere or advanced technology to shield its surface from radiation. If such protection exists, it could make the planet more habitable than once thought. Chemical clues in the atmosphere. One of the most powerful tools Webb offers is spectroscopy, analyzing starlight filtered through a planet's atmosphere. This method can reveal the fingerprints of gases such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, oxygen, and methane. In Proxima b's case, scientists have noticed something unusual. A high concentration of methane but low carbon monoxide levels, a combination difficult to explain without biological or technological activity. On Earth, methane mainly comes from living organisms or industrial sources. If a similar imbalance exists on Proxima b, it could mean one of two things: either a complex biosphere producing it naturally, or an advanced society altering its own environment. Artificial or natural? The lights themselves could have many explanations. Perhaps they're energy beacons, communication lasers, or orbital reflectors built to brighten the planet's dark side. Some scientists even suggest giant solar mirrors or power grids, technologies that would allow a civilization to thrive in a world of perpetual twilight. Still, natural causes can't be ruled out. Volcanic activity, thermal glow, or geological luminescence could all produce light, but the precision and symmetry of the detected signals make these explanations less likely. Natural light tends to flicker randomly. These emissions, by contrast, repeat like a pulse, measured, consistent, and hauntingly familiar. The challenge of seeing the unseen, detecting light from a planet so close to its star is nearly impossible. The star's glare is billions of times brighter. The fact that Webb managed to capture these signals is due to its coronagraph, a device that blocks starlight to reveal faint planetary reflections. Future missions aim to improve this further. NASA's planned habitable worlds observatory and concepts like the Starshade, a vast flower-shaped spacecraft that casts a shadow for telescopes to see behind, will make it easier to image Earth-like planets directly. Even the extremely large telescope, ELT, under construction in Chile promises new capabilities by the late 2020s. Using adaptive optics, it could confirm whether the glows on Proxima b truly originate from something artificial, or if nature has found yet another way to surprise us. If the lights are real, then this moment could mark the turning point in human history. For centuries we've gazed into the night sky wondering if someone, somewhere, might be doing the same, looking up, searching for meaning, for company, for connection. Now, for the first time, we may have seen something that answers back. If these glowing signals on Proxima b truly are artificial, if they are the deliberate creation of an intelligent civilization, then the universe just became smaller, and far more alive than we ever imagined. It would mean that humanity has finally discovered proof, not of ancient fossils or microbial life, but of conscious beings orbiting the star next door. Only 4 light-years away, across the quiet ocean of space, another world may be shining in the dark, a world that might be watching us as we watch them. Imagine it, their telescopes pointing toward our sun, detecting the same fragile signature of life on Earth. Maybe they too wonder whether the faint blue light of our oceans, the shimmer of our cities, or the pulse of our radio signals is proof that they are not alone. If they exist, who are they? Are they explorers, looking beyond their skies in search of knowledge, just as we do? Are they engineers, harnessing light and energy to survive a planet locked in eternal night? Or are they the descendants of survivors, a civilization that endured the flares of their volatile red star and built a new dawn beneath the darkness? And what if those lights are not cities at all, but messages? Rhythmic pulses sent deliberately into the void, a quiet declaration across the cosmic gulf. We exist. We see you. You are not alone. Science, imagination, and the unknown. Of course, science demands caution. Every extraordinary claim must rest on extraordinary evidence. Astronomers know that light can play tricks, stars can flicker, atmospheres can bend and scatter radiation. Data can mislead even the most careful eyes. Skeptics remind us that nature often creates patterns more complex than we can explain. Maybe what we're seeing is a reflection, a geological glow, or some unknown natural process. Perhaps the cosmos is teasing us, revealing just enough mystery to keep us reaching further. But even if the lights prove natural, they've already transformed our understanding of the universe. Because for the first time, the possibility of seeing another civilization's glow, not as fiction, but through the lens of a telescope, feels tangible. It's no longer an abstract dream. It's a measurable signal. A spark on a neighboring world. And that changes everything. We now know how close we are to touching another chapter of existence, a chapter written not by myth, but by photons that have traveled for years to reach us. Each glimmer is a whisper from the dark, reminding us that the universe is not empty. It is vast, waiting, and maybe, just maybe, inhabited. Whether these lights come from alien cities, from bioluminescent oceans beneath thick clouds, or from something beyond our comprehension, Proxima b has become a mirror to our own curiosity. It reflects not just light, but the human desire to know, to connect, to explore. Because in the end, every discovery out there tells us something about ourselves. It shows us how far we've come, from painting stars on cave walls to building machines that can see across time itself. And somewhere, under those rhythmic glows, perhaps another being, intelligent, thoughtful, curious, is looking up at their own night sky, wondering if someone else is out there doing the same. Maybe they see our sun as a faint point of light. Maybe, to them, we are the mystery. Maybe, to them, we are the ones sending the signals. If that's true, if both civilizations are staring across the interstellar void, searching for each other without knowing it. Then the story of life in the cosmos is already being written, in light. And that simple thought, that we might not be alone, may be the most beautiful discovery of all.